Today, we are going to go outdoors and do a waterproof video of Google Pixel 3a. The waterproof video of the last Redmi K20 Pro made us realize that not all phones can pass all the tests to the final step. Which step can this Google Pixel 3a reach? Let's check it out. We went to the fish pond with the hot sun and we can see people fishing nearby. After choosing the venue, the friends are already eager to try. The environment here is very beautiful, but when we are about to start, we have the first problem. There is only one place where the water is available, and the water pipe tap is broken. Of course, this can't stop our experiment. We installed a water tap and successfully get a bucket of water at the cost of a wet body. We poured water into the water tank and prepared to start today's test. At this time, we encountered the second problem. The phone turned out to be dead. Outdoors are sparsely populated. I came to a room that was still under renovation, trying to find a charging socket. But what I didn't expect was that the socket didn't even supply power. We then went to the security room and got the phone charged. This time, I finally started the boot successfully. We first started the splash test. The functions are very normal. But when we put the phone into the water, we can see that the Pixel 3a does not support underwater photography, and we can't open the album either. This makes us worry about this waterproof test. Maybe the phone can't pass all the tests. Next, we did a shower test. After 2 minutes of shower, the operation of the mobile phone was slightly insensitive. At this time, I felt that this phone is almost unable to support it. When the phone was completely saturated in water, a lot of bubbles appeared and the phone was completely flooded at this time. When we took out the phone and shook out the water, the phone suddenly shut down and could not be turned on. Packing up the items, we completed the test. Overall, the waterproofing of the Pixel 3a is not very good, but it is good enough to face the life-grade water damage. As long as you don't deliberately throw it into the water, I believe it can accompany you for a long time.